Srishti will wait for a minute or so for Amit to join. Not sure if Juhi is joining. Kumel is already here.
Okay.
So we'll start in a minute. So Amit has joined. Amit, any idea is Juhi joining or should we start?
Not sure, not sure.
Okay, guys, then let's get started. We have Kumail here offline, and you two guys are there. So as it is, the session is getting recorded. So anyone wants to see, they can do it later. Uh, she's joining, I guess. So we'll wait. Okay, start. So do you guys have any questions before we start? Did you try or did you practice? Did you try creating a vault? Did you try taking the backup or anything? Did you try? Do you have any questions in any step where you got stuck? Yes, Amit, Juhi, Srishti, did you guys try first thing? If you tried, did you guys did it work? What happened?
I didn't try actually.
Amit?
I tried. Nothing major I can say.
Okay. By the way, Amit, did you send that resume? I shared an email address with you. Sonali's email address I shared, I guess.
Yeah, I sent it, but
Okay.
there was no response till now.
I'll talk to her once then. When did you send it?
I think 4 to 5 days.
Okay, fine. I'll talk to her once. Okay, let's get started, guys. If you do not have any questions, so we'll go to our recovery service vault. Mm, So is this the one you created, Amit?
Yes, right.
First,
I
let's
think I
look into it.
deleted. No,
You maybe you tried deleting. I always tell you guys, whenever you delete, you make sure you go to notification and check. It takes time, and it will. How did you delete, by the way? Using
di-
PowerShell script or
no, directly from you.
okay? But you did not configure any backup, did you?
Yeah, right. I think so.
Then it should get deleted without any issues. Okay, we'll look at the policies first. Which one did you? Oh, you didn't create a policy also.
Yeah, right. I directly tried.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so please
Nothing. Maybe I
create.
deleted the machine itself, not the vault.
Okay. No, that is fine. Even if you delete the machine, that should show here. Backup items may, if backup has been done, that will show here. If you remember
Okay.
yesterday, day before yesterday, whenever we had our last session, Juhi deleted her virtual machine, but it was still appearing here, and we had to stop that backup. We had to delete it. Before deleting, we had to soft delete, we had to disable soft delete. So from where can I disable soft delete from here?
Properties. Mm,
Security settings.
And I hope you remember all this. I mean, you don't even have to mug it up exactly, but थोड़ा बहुत याद होना चाहिए कि कहाँ से क्या होता है. See, it is enabled. No, you did not have anything, so that's fine. I'm just showing it to you that we had to disable here and then delete the job which was running. Stop it first, delete it, and then we were able to delete the recovery vault. Okay.
Sorry, I think I got confused. I tried site recovery. I was trying site recovery to replicate the machine,
Okay.
but it gave me some error for scope, so I stopped it.
Okay. Yeah. Site recovery will do. Don't worry. As of now, we are just doing the backup thing. So are you done with the backup? Hence, you're trying site recovery, or did you by mistake tried site recovery? Are you done with the backup? Did you try creating policy and everything?
No. That's something. I think I tried site recovery because I was just reading through it.
Okay. Yeah. Try that also, guys. I mean, not only Amit, all of you, please try the backup completely. Create a recovery
Mhm.
service vault. uh, Create a machine, schedule a backup, try the backup now option, try to restore. Site recovery will do later. If you want to practice, it's well and good. Uh, Try backup items, come here and check how can you see the running jobs. Create a backup policy, though a policy is already here, right? You can use it easily. This will do. You can complete your practical. However, I want you to have that experience when you create a policy. In your interview, you can simply say that I wasn't the one who used to decide that what should be the policy. Should it be standard? Should it be enhanced? Should it be hourly? Should it be daily? What it should be? I wasn't the one who used to decide that, but I used to create those. I used to implement. तो आपको ये बताना है कि बहुत सारी पॉलिसीज आपने 4 साल में बहुत बार पॉलिसीज देखने मिली आपको एंड आप लोग इसको क्रिएट करते हो. So these options you will not remember unless you go and deploy these options on the portal. So please go and create enhanced policy, create standard policy, whatever you are comfortable with. Make sure your this time and your machine time matches. Otherwise it does work but glitches होता है काफी टाइम. एग्जांपल के लिए यहाँ पर if I have taken UTC and on my machine it is IST, तो वो coordinate तो कर लेगा but बहुत ज्यादा confusion होता है बाद में. So hence I already told you that in a live environment आपको हर चीज छोटे छोटे चंक में दिखेंगे and you will see many of them. Even if a single project is there, they will create a different recovery service vault for that. They will create a different resource group for that. They will create everything different for that. So in that manner, अगर आपके machines, suppose दो machine भी जो है वो for some reason if they are in Fiji time zone, so make sure your recovery service vault is in Fiji time zone. So these are the options you can say in your interview कि ये सब हम चीजों का ध्यान रखते थे, right? Retain instant recovery snapshot we did discuss. अभी immediately याद रहता है but इंटरव्यू में शायद आप भूल जाओ, immediately याद नहीं आता है. So make sure you do this very quickly. What happens with this, इससे बहुत ही जल्दी आप जो है रिस्टोर कर सकते हो. Why? Because this doesn't go to the recovery vault. वो वहीं पर किसी storage account में पड़ा रहता है. Rest all these we already discussed. I did not talk about this option. Try this. It's very simple. I mean, it's not a technical one. It has already explained here कि इस क्या होता है. Read it. This is optional. है. This is good for management purpose. Still go through it once. Created policy. This one, enhanced one. See how it works. Apply it on some server. Do the backup now option and work on this. Okay. Uh, Alerts I already told you. This alerts will cover in monitoring section. Where can I see the current restore and backup work? That what is being uh, what is being backed up now or what is being restored as of now? Where can I see that?
Backup items.
Backup job.
Right, backup items. I can see what has been scheduled. Under backup items,
Okay.
I'll see कि क्या क्या schedule किया है मैंने. If I go here, backup item, and if I click on this one, then I'll see that how many virtual machines I have scheduled for backup. Yes, backup jobs. Here I'll see the current jobs which are running. It's only not only name is backup jobs, but you can see the restore also. In this section, you will see backup and restore both jobs. Other day we were watching that. Okay, so let's go to this. Should I delete it, Amit, or do you plan to practice on this?
No, you can delete it.
Okay. I showed you how to delete using PowerShell script. You can explain this to in your interview also. Okay. Trying deleting manually. Let's say if it gives any error. I'm trying to delete that manually first. If it doesn't work, then we'll go with it has been deleted already because it didn't have anything, any policy or any backup item. It didn't have anything. Okay. So coming back to our backup thing. And if I go to backup here, how many backup items should be there? Do you remember this is the setup where we backed up two virtual machines? Is it okay, guys? Are you getting it? So these are the two items
Yes.
we have. Now, if I want to check the details of backup infrastructure is always for the non-Azure servers. I mean, AWS, GCP or any other backup policies we have already discussed. Now, if I want to see, okay, here you will get an idea that latest backup which was restored. So which is the latest backup we have? We have 20th.
20.
So last night 10:30 it was backed up. And now both of my machines were shut down at this time. So what sort of backup is this? What is the category of this backup? The consistency part I'm talking about,
Crash consistent.
right? Both are crash consistent backup. Yeah. Let me see. There is one more column where we see a tabular image. I'm not sure if it is still there or they have removed it. Let's quickly check. Okay, this is allowing to backup. Here, the place you can see how many backups do we have now? 3 backups we have. So according to this policy, we will have 30 backups and उसके बाद वो delete होना शुरू हो जाएगा. So we have 3 backups now as of now. And this machine, the first one was application consistent because the machine was on. This is the first day when we were creating the vault and machine was on. और उसके बाद machine was shut down. Hence, these are two crash consistent. You can say it here.
लिनक्स के लिए फाइल कंसिस्टेंट होता है ना शायद, या क्रैश?
Linux, no, I've never tried. Let's see if we can give it a try. Did you try creating one?
No, I was just reading it, so that's
No, but we do not
confirmed.
have any. What did you say? File consistent? Yes, we have a file consistent. I'm not sure if that specifically works for Linux, though we can check that.
Otherwise, I will try it later.
Okay, or I'll also try. I'll create a machine after this, and let's do that right away. I'll create a new virtual machine. Okay. So we are dealing with this East US machine. We'll create one more machine in East US only. Meanwhile, when it comes to restore, so how many types of restore do we have? This I have already sent you guys. Consistency wala, please go through and read it. Yes, the Linux default if pre-script aren't configured or failed. Yes, so that's correct. I guess for Linux it is default is file system consistent. Still, we will have a look. But it also says here for Linux, but so we'll have to check once. What does it mean exactly? Okay. So I hope you are reading this, guys. Yes, how many types of restore do we have?
So we have file restore, virtual machine restore, and we have disk restore.
Okay, what is the difference and when would you use file restore? When will we use disk restore? Not sure if the restore types is there in this document, but it's a simple one. Yes. What is the difference?
So if you want to restore the whole machine itself, then we'll go for what's creating a virtual machine or virtual machine restore. If there is a disk that has been backed up from a virtual machine and we have to recover that, we'll go for the disk restore. And file restore is mostly used for virtual machine, I think so, as well as file share for storage account.
Okay, here it is. The restore methods are below. One is the restore VM as a restore VM as a new VM. It could be restore on the same location, different location, and that is preferred to avoid conflicts. Secondary region if RAGRS was enabled on backup. There's no RAGRS, actually it's only GRS, but that is fine. Did you get this sentence? Anyone who did not understand, let me know. I'll explain. First one. Today we are just talking about restore. So this is the first method. Though we have already done a practical yesterday in last session, still we'll start from scratch. So anyone who did not understand that sentence. Yes, guys. Yes, no, maybe. Amit, Srishti, Johi, did you get that? Will you be able to explain this?
If you could just show it to me once again.
Do one thing. Wait. I'll just move my browser window here on the next first screen. I'll work on that machine. You guys take 2 minutes. Or you have the document. You also have a copy of this document, right? Go through this, the recovery details, and let me know which one you don't understand from this one. Meanwhile, I'm creating the Linux machine. Right. 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 Second region, it won't work. No. This location means a different resource group. It could be. This different location doesn't it is not referring to different region. For example, we'll do that right away. This one we will do it right away. So what does it say? The new restore a VM as new VM. So let's say, are you guys done with this? So let me send it on WhatsApp.
You
Yeah,
already
Already
have
have,
one.
you have it, right?
Yeah.
yeah,
Under this final
yeah.
document, this page, it's Azure storage page, and you can search for restore. Okay. Linux machine is almost ready. Once it is done, we will add this to the backup. This time we will go from the backup option, जो machine के section में है left side में. We the other two machines we went to our recovery service vault, and from there we added this one. We will go from the other side, from machines side. Okay. When it comes to restore, I'll go to my vault. Okay, this is the tab I was talking about. Good, I got it. So here you can see an overview that how many items are backed up. So 2 items are there. Any critical error, any warnings? No, we do not have any. How many are in progress? How many failed? Maybe last time which I configured, maybe that got failed. LRS में कितना है? RAGRS में कितना है? If you see, Cloud RAGRS पे इतना data ये हो रहा है. Okay, so it under overview, backup and site recovery. Site recovery will see it's 0 as of now because we haven't started now. Okay. So it's under backup, we will see these details. And if we want to see these two, that what are these two items, I can either go to the backup items from there, or I can simply click here. It takes me to the same place. Backup item pe hi le ja raha hai ultimately. And then I can click, and we have already seen this option. Clear, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So let's go for this one, backup recovery one. So these are the backup items. I'll try to recover one of the machines. Let me see. Okay, this is ready. We'll come back to this in a minute. Let me turn that machine on, and we'll see that what are the documents are there. The same practical which we did yesterday. We'll start from there. Machine's condition, whether it is shut down or not, it doesn't matter. We are doing it. We are turning on the machine only for the practice purpose. I hope this is clear to you guys. This cannot be a condition that while restoring, your machine should be on, because that is highly unlikely. You will try to restore a machine only in those scenarios जहां पर आपका machine बंद ये है या कुछ delete हो गया. That is a different thing. That could be a case, but most of the time the case is machine is not turning on. So this cannot be a condition that your machine should be up. And I told you this several times. We have been discussing that backup is an isolated copy. Once you have backed up something, वो vault में चला गया, and not even in vault, वो retain वाले इसमें भी होता है. Once the backup job is completed, it's an isolated copy. Then it doesn't matter that what is happening with your running machine, with your actual machine. It gets shut down, it gets virus, कुछ भी हो जाए इसमें, आपकी isolated जो copy है backup का, that is not going to hamper. So this machine is turning on. Meanwhile, let's go to this machine and set up the backup for this. This time we will go from here, from machine. At the left hand side, you see backup and disaster recovery. We'll go for backup. Will I select create new or existing? I want this machine to be backed up with those other two machines, which I already have. Same time and
Select
everything same.
existing.
Okay. Then which one? Which
Yep.
policy will I
This is
apply?
the one. Um,
Do we have any enhanced policy? We don't. Do we
no.
have any standard policy? Let's say yes, we have backup policy. What does this backup policy say? What does our backup policy say? It says daily 10:30 p.m. IST, instant recovery, 1 day. By the way, did you guys notice where can I see okay, कौन सा backup instant recovery में है या नहीं? I mean, it is very obvious that if you have kept it 1 day, so the latest one should be there. But where can you see? Did you guys notice though we went from that screen twice or thrice? Yes, anyone notice? Anyone know?
No, I did.
No.
Backup items are here. Wait. Can you see? Can you see this option, guys? These two items,
Yes.
irrespective of the crash consistent, now these two are not correlated. Okay, doesn't have anything to do with this status. So ignore this now. These two items, one was taken 18th, which is obviously not 1 day prior, so it has moved to vault standard. Recovering from this point, it is going to take time. Same applies to this, but this one is as a snapshot. So it is there in the same in nearby storage account. So which will be the fast recovery in these three options? Let's say that I am saying I have a file which I backed up, which I edited on 17th of August, and from 17th of August I did not change anything, and it got deleted just a minute ago. Could you please restore the machine for me, or could you please restore that file for me? So from where can you get that file, the exact copy what customer is looking for? I created that file long back. The last delete, I'm pretty sure about it. I've given this in writing that the last delete which the last edit which I did on that file was on 17th early mornings 9 a.m. IST. Did not even touch that file after that. Or 18th early morning 9 a.m. Did not even touch my file after that, and it just got deleted a minute ago. I was trying to open, accidentally I hit delete button, didn't realize that what I was deleting, and did the shift delete option. Can you guys restore that file for me? If yes, can any one of you tell me that which is the suitable, where will I find that file, by the way? Which backup will have the file?
The last one,
Last as in 20th one or 18th
18,
one? Okay, Srishti,
18.
which one will have the file?
I think 18, but I'm not sure. I'm confused
Juhi?
actually.
Even I'm confused, but I'll say 18.
Okay, all are confused. What about you, Kumel? 17th, I created the file or I edited the file last time. Today it got deleted a minute ago. Okay, Kumel says 20. And surprisingly, all are wrong. Let me explain this to you. I'm saying file A. I created or last edited this file on 17th of August, 6 a.m. Okay, this is the time when I edited the file last time. This is the file name, file A. Okay. Now my backup time is 10:30 every night, 10:30 p.m. IST. Okay, so server 1, it gets backed up on 17th of August, 10:30 p.m. 17th of August 10:30 p.m. So what do you think, this file will be there or not? I created this on 17th August 6 a.m. 17th of August 10:30 मेरा एक बैकअप रन हुआ. ये फाइल उसमें होगी या नहीं होगी?
Yes, it will be.
Will be, right?
Okay.
So I'll write backup 1 rather than server 1. There is only one server. Backup 2. I ran this backup. I mean, it's in schedule. I'm not running that backup on 18th. And I have specifically said that I edited that file on 17th. I did not even touch that file. So why do you think this 18th of backup will not have that file? What makes you think that file is not there in 18th backup? Or do you think the file will be there?
Think the file will be there.
Then we have 19th. Then we have, though in our case, we have only 3 backup there. I'm just taking this as an example. Okay, so let me take this to the Paint to explain it to you well. I hope you understood it by now, but still.
इसका लो लेवल डायग्राम नहीं मिल सकता है क्या? Easy.
You won't even require in fact I was about to that question. वो next question ही मेरा वो था. You don't even require this. इसके low level diagram की छोड़िए. I'll ask that question. First let's get this clear. I mean हम backup के last stage पे हैं, and if this is not clear, it's not a big task. I understand वो थोड़ा सा confusion है, but if we explain it well, आप लोगों को समझ में आ जाएगा. And उसके बाद जो question है, that will help you more. But let's get this done first. So last time I edited this file here. Let's say this is the server. This is the server we are talking about. Okay. Please excuse me for my diagrams. And this is the server we are talking about. यहाँ पर मैंने 17th August को 6 AM एक file edit की थी. And this gets backed up here at 17th of August 10:30. यहाँ 6 AM था, यहाँ पर 10:30 को backup run हो रहा है. So this is obvious कि ये इस backup में ये file है यहाँ पर. This file we are talking about. This file is here in this backup. Any doubt in this one?
No.
Okay. Second backup कहाँ से run हो रहा है? This is not being run from here. From इस backup से कोई लेना देना नहीं. I told you ये backup हो गया. This is an isolated copy. वो चला गया. You don't even know कि उसके साथ क्या हो रहा है. Your machine doesn't know. Connectivity भी नहीं है. और जो बैकअप दूसरे दिन रन करने वाला उसको भी नहीं पता पिछले बैकअप से क्या कोई मतलब है, चाहे वो फेल था, पास था, कुछ भी हो. सेकेंड बैकअप भी अगेन इसी मशीन से रन होगा. ठीक है. Now whatever other changes I did in this machine, यहाँ पर मैंने न्यू फाइल क्रिएट की, तीसरी फाइल डिलीट की, चौथी फाइल क्रिएट की, कुछ एडिट किया, किसी यूजर को ऐड किया, वॉलपेपर चेंज किया, रैम बढ़ा दिया, ये सब किया. दैट इज फाइन. एवरीथिंग whatever I did before 10:30, 17th August 10:30 से लेकर 18th August 10:30 के बीच में जो कुछ मैंने किया, वो नई चीजें यहाँ पर कॉपी हो गई इसमें, नो डाउट, इस बैकअप में. But this file, which I told you that I edited it last time on 17th of August, ये फाइल इसमें होगी या नहीं होगी? It is still on that server. You made changes in 1000 changes, but on other files, other configuration. You did not change this file. What about this backup, backup 2? Will this have this file or no?
No, it will not.
Why not?
Because now only we explain, na, whatever new changes we'll be making, that will only will be backing up.
No. Sorry, if I explained it in that way. That these changes will be there, but this file will also be there. It takes the complete backup. ये changes होंगे, बस ये changes दिखेंगे ये दो backup में, but जो unchanged चीजें होगी, वो भी यहाँ पर आपको दिखने वाली है.
Okay.
Are you guys getting it? तो इन दोनों में क्या डिफरेंस होगा? जो चेंजेस हमने यहाँ पर किए, कॉन्फ़िगरेशन वगैरह में जो चेंजेस किए, that is the difference you will see in 17th and 18th. But जो फाइल्स, not only this file में भी इसके साथ बहुत सारी फाइल्स ऐसे होगी, OS की फाइल से जो जिसको हम टच भी नहीं करते, चेंज भी नहीं होते बहुत लंबे टाइम तक, बहुत सारी फाइल्स ऐसी होगी जो अनचेंज्ड है. सो डू यू थिंक इसमें और इसमें कोई डिफरेंस होगा? नहीं होगा, बिकॉज एग्जैक्टली सेम चीजें यहाँ पर भी अवेलेबल होगी. Similarly, next day did not do any changes. ना इनमें कोई change किया ना इसमें किसी की तरह का कोई change नहीं किया. Let's say it was 15th of August, complete team ने काम नहीं किया. Internal application है, external तो कोई उसको touch करता है नहीं. तो application में कोई changes हुए ही नहीं, ना कोई automation run हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ. तो ये और ये जो है बैकअप exactly same हो गए. But what about this file? ये फाइल 17th, 18th और 19 में exactly same होगी. Similarly on 20th मुझसे ये फाइल कब डिलीट हुई? 21st August 6 AM. So now let's see, I have the backup 5 here, which is 21st tonight. आज हम अब ये फ्यूचर की बात कर रहे हैं. Tonight ये एक बैकअप है हमारे पास. Will this be file available here or not? Initially I'm saying that I last edited this on 17th of August, but it got deleted. It got deleted 21st of August. Today I'm talking about 9 AM मेरे हाथ से ये फाइल डिलीट होगी. So this backup will have it. This backup will have it unchanged because why? Last time I edited on 17th of August. So by default, all of these backup will have that particular file. What about backup 5, which ran on 21st August, 10:30, which is yet to come? I'm just taking an example. Let's say today we are discussing this at 11:30 PM. A backup already ran at 10:30 PM. Will this backup have this file or not? I deleted it on 21st August, 9 AM.
No, it will not.
Is it clear to others?
Yes.
Srishti, Amit,
Yeah, clear.
Yes.
so is it clear that all of these file will have the same backup? हाँ आपने यहाँ कोई change किया होता ना तो file होती but with change होती. Let's say that एक और edit मैं बोलता हूँ यहाँ पर कि I did one edit, one edit I did here also 6 AM. कौन सी date है? 19th of August. So now what do you think? यहाँ पर file होगी या नहीं होगी? I did edit. यहाँ पे मैंने delete किया है. Then that is a different question, होगी या नहीं होगी. यहाँ पे मैंने बस उस फाइल को edit किया है.
होगा.
Right. Obviously फाइल edit करने से बैकअप पे कोई असर नहीं पड़ेगा, होगी फाइल. But now I'm saying I need a version which was there on 17th. जो 17th को मैंने editing की थी वो version चाहिए मुझको. So now which is the suitable backup? Coming back to our diagram here, I'm questioning that I did a change on 17th and I did a change on 19th, but I want that file to be recovered which was there on 17th. 17th वाला version चाहिए मुझको. So कौन सा backup को restore करोगे आप लोग?
18.
Okay, I hope this is clear now.
Yes.
Coming back to our original example, there is only one edit which was on 17th and I want you to back up that. It got deleted a minute ago. ये तो अभी तक occur हुआ भी नहीं है. So इसके पहले कि आज का backup हो जाए उसमें file ना हो, I want you to back up. So which backup has that file?